How do planes take off? Why ice float on water? Where do penguins live?
It's sharpen the brain, increase the wisdom.
Hello friends, welcome to Brain Tonic. Now our topic is what is water? Do you know how long can we survive without water? Without water we cannot survive for more than few days. Water is called an elixir of life. Without it, life on the earth would not possible. Human beings, plants and animals all need water for their survival. Perhaps that is why nature has covered more than 70% of the earth's surface with water. About 97% of the total water on the earth is in the oceans. Water is a compound of hydrogen and oxygen. It contains 2 parts of hydrogen and 1 part of oxygen by volume. As shown, pure water is colorless, odorless, transparent and tasteless. When we get water from rivers, lakes, fountains, wells, rains, oceans, etc., water exists in 3 states: solid, liquid and gas. Normally it is found in liquid state, but when it is cooled to 0 degrees Celsius, it freezes into ice. When it is heated to 100 degrees Celsius, it turns into steam. Water obtained from nature is not pure, but contains many salts and minerals dissolved in it. Due to these impurities, it develops a taste slightly different than pure water. Some of the impurities make water hard. Hard water does not form lather with soap. The hardness of water is of 2 types: temporary and permanent. Temporary hardness is due to the presence of bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium. It is removed by boiling the water. The presence of chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium in water cause permanent hardness. This hardness can be removed by mixing sodium carbonate with the water. Water has many fascinating properties. For example, ice is lighter than water. That is why ice and big icebergs float on the surface of the seas. Water has maximum density at 4 degrees Celsius. Due to this property, during winters, only the upper surface of water in lakes and ponds freeze, but the lower portion remains liquid. Hence, marine life can easily survive in such lakes and ponds. The structure of water is such that most substances dissolve in it. Hence, water is regarded as a universal solvent. Seawater is a saline because many minerals remain dissolved in it. Air dissolves itself in water, enabling aquatic animals to breathe. Water is a liquid which does not evaporate easily. That is why soil retains moisture for a longer period. This benefits trees and plants. Water content in different living organisms varies. Trees and plants have 60% to 80% water, fresh fruits 85% to 95%, and plants living in water contains 98% water. Human body contains 65 to 70% water. A civilized man on average uses 35 gallons of water every day for drinking, bathing and washing. One should be careful about drinking water. Often water contains germs of dangerous diseases like typhoid, cholera, diarrhea, etc. Boiled water is therefore hygienic. Water can be made free from germs by filtering, boiling and mixing potassium permanganate. Currently, we are using water purifiers also. This is about water. Save water for our life and subscribe the series for next question answers. Thank you.